Crop damage from insects is still a major problem for the world's agricultural community. Yield losses affect crop production both directly and indirectly. This is true especially for the production industry we call agriculture. Starkle G, produced using the latest technology for soil treatment, is a product in the Starkle family, developed by Mitsui Chemical Japan. Starkle G's systemic action provides high efficacy for insect control. It directly affects the nervous systems of insects, resulting in paralysis and death. Starkle G is the third generation of neonicotinoid compound, which is similar to nicotine found naturally in tobacco. Therefore, it is a very low toxicity to humans, mammals, birds, fish, and the environment. Starkle G is a sand-coated insecticide in pink. It controls insects through root absorption. Its active ingredient enters the plant stem and moves to leaves and shoots, controlling insects both on the upper leaf and lower leaf surfaces, including soil insects. Starkle G, as a broad-spectrum insect control agent, is suitable for all vegetables and is especially suitable for exported vegetables such as okra, tomato, chili, eggplant, fruits, flowers, and ornamentals. To identify the target insects and target crops for Starkle G, the technical department of Sotis International Company Limited conducted many local experiments on various vegetables. These photos illustrate the excellent efficacy of Starkle G used to treat okra when compared to untreated plants. The major pests for okra are the cotton leaf hopper, mealybugs, aphids, and whiteflies. In our treated plot, 2 grams of Starkle G are applied to each plant, while on the untreated plot, no insecticide has been applied. The results can be seen clearly. The okra in the Starkle G treated picture shows much better growth with no damage from insects. The untreated plot shows stunted plants and insect damage. Also found was yellow vein virus disease caused by whitefly as a vector. Many other target crops have been tested to confirm the high efficacy of Starkle G for broad-spectrum insect control, such as tobacco, tomato, chili, eggplant, cucumber, and yard-long bean. Starkle G is comprised of small granules, pink in color. It is easy, convenient, and safe to use. Based on LD sub 50 value, Starkle G is 250 times safer than other general soil insecticides presently in the market. Most effective use is achieved by applying Starkle G at a rate of 2 grams per planting hole or per plant, and by any of 3 methods. First, applying 2 grams of Starkle G per planting hole, both for seedlings from plastic trays and seedlings from seedling beds. Second, applying 2 grams of Starkle G per planting hole together with seeds. Starkle G will protect against damage from soil insects. Or third, applying 2 grams of Starkle G per plant around the base of the stem onto the soil, 1 or 2 weeks after seedlings emerge. Why does Starkle G show high efficacy in the control of hiding insects? This is because Starkle G can be absorbed by a plant's roots into the stem, leaves, and shoots. The active ingredient is systemic up to the upper portion of the plant. Any insect hiding in the plant, such as on the lower leaf surface, will absorb Starkle G through feeding. Its nervous system will cease to function, resulting in paralysis and death. Starkle G gives 30 to 45 days of residual control, providing farmers with full confidence in the health of their crops. Most important is its broad-spectrum insect control activity. Starkle G controls aphids, mealybugs, cotton leaf hoppers, whiteflies, thrips, scales, leaf miners, stem borers, cucumber beetles, as well as soil insects such as ants, termites, and subterranean ants, while showing good control against insects that are resistant to other insecticide groups. In addition, Starkle G shows excellent control against vector insects and significantly reduces virus diseases such as leaf curl in tobacco, yellow leaf vein in okra, as well as virus diseases in tomatoes, cucumbers, cantaloupe, papaya, and chili. The many benefits of Starkle G include reduction of crop damage from insects and reduction of crop loss from virus infection diseases. Starkle G systematically moves through the entire plant. It reduces the number of foliar applications required for insecticides. It is safe for workers, as are its chemical components. There is less wash-off from rain and irrigation water, as well as less degradation from sunlight. Starkle G provides long residual insect control from 30 to 45 days. Starkle G is safe for seeds and seedlings. Starkle G promotes plant growth. Starkle G is safe for the environment and harmless to beneficial insects such as ladybird beetles, lace wings, and dragonflies. Starkle G is suitable for use in vegetables, especially export vegetables such as okra, eggplant, yard-long bean, cucumber, tomato, and chili, as well as fruits, flowers, and ornamentals. Starkle G, a new choice of granular insecticide for soil application. Starkle G, for broad spectrum, friendly to the environment, long residual pest control. Starkle G, a high quality product from Sotis.